Hello! Let's learn some alphabets with colors. Yellow color, brown color, orange color, silver color, black color, light pink color, blue color, red color, light green color, green color. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for egg. F for fish, F for fish. G for goat, G for goat. H for hen, S for hen. I for iron, I for iron. J for jeep, J for jeep. K for king, K for king. L for lamp, L for lamp. M for mouse, M for mouse. N for nightingale, N for nightingale. O for owl, O for owl. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for quill, Q for quill. R for ruler, R for ruler. S for squirrel, S for squirrel. T for telephone, T for telephone. U for uniform, U for uniform. V for van, V for van. W for wolf, W for wolf. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zoo, Z for zoo.